Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and talk about using the Transplanter ramp. The ramp is really important to get the stuff out of the trays. So there's a few ways of kind of using it, of how you put it in, right? You can like lift up the seedlings and slide it under. You can also just stick it in there while it's standing up like I'm doing and then slide it down. I have seen some people use it where they keep it just like that. You know, I usually put it inside the tray, just like so. I think either are fine, right? But putting it in while the tray is standing up, I do find easier than trying to lift it up when you're working against gravity and the things are getting in the way. Because I do find that a lot of the error happens at the end of the ramp is usually pinching something, right? And then that will rip the paper and they'll think something else happened when they're doing it. But you'll notice it'll be right at the point where the ramp ends, because the lip of the ramp is probably pinching something. But if you do it without the gravity standing up, it's usually less likely to be a problem.